Stock number 41024B. It's a 2014 Jetta GLI. It does have a key, it doesn't start. You can see the front bumper's no good, the hood's no good, headlights are no good, fenders are no good. That fender's got a big dent in it. The fender's damaged down there. Passenger door's no good. The back door's no good. Quarter panel's no good. Rear bumper's no good. Deck lid looks good. Tail lights look good. This quarter panel as well has some dents. It's probably no good. Back door's no good. Driver door's no good. That's broken. It's no good. Fender's no good. See the dents up there. It does have a key. It doesn't start though. The seatbelt's good. That door don't open. That door don't open. The seatbelt's good. This is stock number 41024B. It's a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta GLI. It does have a key. Does not start.